In this quick guide, you'll learn how to delete your Vrbo account, whether you've decided to take a break from vacation rentals or simply want to close your account. I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can do it effortlessly and without any confusion. First, you'll need to access your Vrbo account, so go ahead and log in if you're not already. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select My Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can manage various aspects of your account. After you've opened your profile, look to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a menu with several options. Among these, locate and click on the Settings tab. The Settings section is essentially your control center for making changes to your account preferences and details. Now that you're in the Settings area, scroll down until you reach the Account Management section. This is where you'll find the tools needed to manage your account settings. You might need to scroll a little bit to get there, but it shouldn't be too hard to find. The page is designed to be intuitive, so just keep an eye out for this section. Once you locate the Account Management area, you'll see an option labeled Delete Account. Click on this option. It's important to note that deleting your account is a permanent action, so make sure this is exactly what you want to do. Once you've made your decision, follow the prompts that appear. These prompts will guide you through the confirmation process. The prompts are designed to make sure you're fully aware of the implications of deleting your account, such as losing access to your reservation history and any saved listings. Vrbo wants to ensure you're absolutely certain before proceeding, which is why these additional steps are in place. After you've confirmed and completed the necessary steps, your account will be successfully deleted. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone, so double check that you're ready to say goodbye to your Vrbo account. This process is generally straightforward and should only take a few minutes of your time. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete your Vrbo account. If you ever decide to return, you'll need to create a new account from scratch. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in assisting you with your account management needs. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Vrbo's customer support. They're always there to help you with any issues you might encounter.